Alright, so you saw everything at the Nike store, and they had quite a bit of stuff for 30% off. It was a lot of fun shopping around. It was definitely kind of some mayhem, but I went actually Friday, and the sale is actually available Saturday and Sunday. If you didn't check your Nike Plus app, and you should be able to get access to getting the 30% off for the friends and family thing. And if not, just hit up maybe a person in the store and ask them if they have a code. And some people are pretty good about that. Just wanted to point out, if you guys missed my haul video that I did with Harrison yesterday, check that out. We opened all these things right here. But man, so I ended up getting these shoes for a crazy price. I paid $31.48 for the shoes. But first, I did get the wife a little frilly top. I was like waiting in line, and I was like, oh, that's super cute. Though then I was like, I'm gonna get this for her. But I'm hoping she's not too mad, because this is a size small women's, and she's definitely showing now for baby number 2. So hopefully she won't be offended, but she can wear this like whenever. But this was like $9 after everything was said and done. I was like, oh, that's a good price. Cute little top. So, you know, you gotta do like husband things like that sometimes. You just gotta buy them just random things, and if they like them, they like them. If not, they can return them, right? And then I got Harrison a double up. This is like his 18th double up of these type of Nike. This is a Nike Flex experience. I usually get the Nike Freeze, but super like minimal. The little dude has Yeezys, he has Jordans, he has all sorts of sneakers, but these are the ones we wear every single day, like 1,000 times a day. His bikes in these, like, he's just comfortable in these, and they're really easy to just slip on and then throw down the strap. And if you get them these at the like Nike outlets, you can get them for like 20 bucks a pair instead of like 45 for retail. So highly recommend going to the outlets, checking the back wall, and checking the kids section. He's had these in every single size from like, I don't even know, like 4 onwards. So I got 2 size 10s. He's a size 9 right now. He's only if you saw his video yesterday, say Alpha Bounce.
Apple bounce. Apple bounce.
Apple bounce.
Alpha Bounce. And this is, what color is it?
White.
Yep. He's only 2 and 4 months right now. And so it's crazy how fast he's growing, but those are great for him. The big thing though that you guys maybe wanted to see is in this box here. And so here's the thing. If you look here on the box, it was misleading because it says it's $120. And you can see right there what it is. It's the Nike Lab pocket knives. They said these were $120 though, and so I was obviously not going to pay $120 for these. Even with $120 and then 30% off, I was like, it's still too much, because I remember I went to the Nike outlet a while ago and they had these there. I think it were like 80 bucks or something like that, and they had a whole bunch of different colorways. But this is the pocket knife model, and have you guys actually tried this one or not? Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know. But this one kind of looked cool. It kind of reminded me of like a Presto vibe. Had a little bit of extra like leather work on the side. Really nice quality, especially on the Nike Lab. And then I love the little accents of the pink on this one. I thought it was a cool looking colorway. And I just didn't want to pay that much for it. But I ended up getting these for $31.48. Like, that's insane. That's a really good price for these. And that was what was misleading. It said $120 on the box. It didn't have a red tag, a yellow tag, or anything like that. And then I asked the dude, shout out to the dude that always like run into over there. Shout out to everybody that I ran into at Nike Portland. I've never had so much love from like a store. I went to Adidas employee store the other day, and a couple people recognized me and stuff, and that was really cool too. But Nike, there was just tons of people that worked there that recognized me from just my sneaker YouTube channel. And then I ran into a couple people also from DJing, which was super random. Actually, one of the dudes that works there, I DJ'd his wedding. So all different types of run-ins with people. It was really cool to talk to a bunch of different people and see them all at the Nike factory store. But I went there during my lunch break. Usually that's the best time for me to go. If you guys ever go through that, I'm usually in there like around noon or so depending on the day. But yeah, man, so the dude that I normally see, I had him scan these for me, and they were $45 on the hash wall. So I was like, this is gonna be epic. Under $35, get to try out the model. And it's really, it's quite a heavy model. It's a really substantial model. They definitely made like it with some pretty solid materials. I like the difference in the lacing system. It's just different than some of the normal stuff you see. And like, look at this. You can pull this on the back here. It looks pretty cool. I don't know. I thought it was a kind of a cool looking shoe. Leave a comment if you guys have tried this model or not. Leave a comment if you guys want to see a full review of these as well. I gotta be better about that. I buy a lot of pickups and I haven't done a lot of full reviews on some of the shoes. Some of them I do, some of them I don't. If you guys want me to be more consistent with that, like, I can totally do it. I just haven't done it. But anyway, that is what we have. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And Nike Factory Store, go check yours out if you guys haven't. This weekend, just beware that it's going to be probably really, really, really crazy because of all of the traffic. There's literally like fallen shoe trees and boxes through the entire store floor. Usually, it's just a madhouse usually during that time frame. But yeah, have fun shopping, and leave a comment in the comment section if you do go to the Nike Factory Store. What are some of the things that you ended up seeing that you wanted to get? One of the things that I regret not picking up, I guess, would be the Olive 13s, just because the price point would have been like 91 bucks, and I don't know, that would have been a good price for sure. So that is, yeah, that's what we have for the video. Anyways, that's pretty much the video. Thank you guys for stopping by. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of your day and weekend, and we'll catch you guys for some more videos soon. Peace, guys.